Alright guys, gotta talk about this SSD. I just got my hands on the Samsung 850 EVO 500GB. If you're looking to breathe new life into your older laptop, or even give your desktop a kick in the pants, this might be just the ticket. We're talking about a solid 500 gigabytes of storage, which is plenty of space for your operating system, applications, and a good chunk of your games and files. Now, the real magic here is the speed. This thing uses SATA 3, which is pretty standard, but the 850 EVO really pushes the limits of that interface. Boot times? Blatzing fast. Loading screens and games? Way shorter. Even just opening up everyday programs like Photoshop or your web browser feels noticeably snappier. It's like going from dial-up to broadband all over again, but for your storage. The 2.5-inch form factor means it's compatible with most laptops and desktops, so installation should be a breeze. Just pop it in, clone your old drive, and you're good to go. Plus, Samsung is a name you can trust when it comes to storage. They've been in the game for a long time, and the 850 EVO has a reputation for reliability. You don't want to worry about losing your data, and with this SSD, you shouldn't have to. One thing I really appreciate is how quiet it is. Since there are no moving parts like in a traditional hard drive, you won't hear any spinning or clicking. It's practically silent, which is great for those late-night gaming sessions or if you're working in a quiet environment. Now, it's not an NVMe drive, so it's not the absolute fastest SSD on the market. But for the price and performance, the 850 EVO is hard to beat. It's a fantastic upgrade for anyone still rocking a mechanical hard drive, and it's even a worthwhile upgrade from an older, smaller SSD. Seriously, the difference in speed is night and day. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and fast way to boost your computer's performance, the Samsung 850 EVO 500GB is definitely worth checking out. It's a solid upgrade that won't break the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.